How to download and install Emo app onto your device. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna give you a quick tutorial on how you can download the Emo application onto your device within some steps. So to do that, you need Play Store onto your device if you're on Android, and if go to Play Store, and here you can see the search bar at the bottom right. Just tap on it and here search for Emo. After that, you see this is the application that you need to download on your device. Here, just tap on it and tap on install. While the installation is being completed on my device, you may just hit the like and subscribe option and share it with your friends. So Emo is one of the faster and efficient video call and chat application that makes it easier for users to communicate with each other. So here you can see the installation is complete. After the installation is complete, just tap on open and you'll get to this interface after some seconds. You just need to agree to give your phone number and enable everything. You may allow Emo to make and manage phone calls, since it is the application that helps you connect each other with video calls and calls. Just tap on allow and you need to enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, you need to press on this blue right icon and you will receive a code. After entering the security code, you will successfully create an Emo account into a device. So in this way, you can download and install Emo app into your device very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.